Alright guys, hello again. This is the second video. Now I'm gonna diagnose my car. Okay, it's a BMW e46 325i. As you can see, it's a little dark, but you can see the VCI is on and it's connected. So now we're gonna click diagnose. Then you can select which car, which is BMW. Okay, you can do auto scan, manual select, and input of the VIN. We're just gonna do auto scan. Okay, as you can see the vehicle information and the VIN. Then click on yes, and it's gonna scan the modules in the car. And as you can see now, you have a third light. That light indicates that the VCI is connecting to the vehicle. Okay. Just turn on the light here, and then you can see. Okay. That's almost done. Alright, now we can do a quick test. Then it's gonna scan all the modules and you'll see the fault codes there. We have service functions, we have vehicle information, system select, and hot functions. If we do service functions, you can select between the powertrain and the body, and here you can select the immobilizer. And then with the body, then you have again the immobilizer, you have air conditioning, light switch, navigation, transport mode, instrument cluster, and the phone headset, which I do not have installed in the car. Then if you go to hot functions, you have the oil reset and key program. The key programming I have to test still. You can read the status of the key. Let's check that out if we can do that. See, these are the keys. Right now I'm in key number 1, and you can see the keys that have been used on the car. You can also disable. You should read another key status. No. You can also block the keys. Okay. Alright, see here you can see how you can enable and disable the keys. You can display all the keys. You can block 1 through 5, 6 through 10, and enable 1 through 5 and 6 to 10. But let's not do that. You don't want to lock myself out of the car. Alright, then we go back out. And when you do an oil change, you can do your oil reset. Then we have system select. You can pick between each module, or you can pick all the modules. Once the vehicle is scanned, you can see all the modules where you have faults, or you can go into individual modules and read the fault code. See, I have a fault code there, but I know that. Okay, you can also do active testing. So let's check out the wipers. And active. As you can see, the wipers are going. Let's do that once more. Okay, back. Okay. The tablet is bi-directional, so you can do testing with it as well. Now I have the interior lights on. We can actually test the windows. Front passenger window closed. It's gonna activate it for a few seconds. So if I hit active, you can see the window goes up about halfway, and then hit active again, and it's all the way up. And we go back, and you can open the window. As you can see, window comes about halfway down, and we press it again and it goes all the way down. So it's a very versatile scan tool, very inexpensive, I have to say, compared to the other brands, and it's not quite as capable as a high-end, but for a DIY that you can actually scan your car and scan your friends' cars, actually it is a very good tool. So let's do a quick test, and now it's gonna go through all the modules and showing you where you have faults. Okay, actually I have 4 faults in the light check module. Let's check those out. My high beams are faulty. That's very interesting. Okay, now let's reset these. So you click here on the brush, and then you erase all codes, and there they are. Okay, no codes present. Okay, then we go back, and we have 2 more. Hit the code. And that's the AC sensor in the front. Let's erase that code as well. And of course the anti-theft alarm, which came with the car, but it's never been installed in the car, so the fault was always there since I got the car. Alright, so that pretty much covers it. Let me go out, exit, and that's it. Thank you guys.